If you can see the vessel, that is the best thing. But one thing which I want to encourage amongst junior officers, among cadets, is please take compass bearings. This is the skill which is getting lost day by day. People on board, they don't know how to take bearing, and this is very alarming as well as dangerous at same time. So जब भी आप किसी भी vessel को sight करो, first you try to take his compass bearing if the traffic is allowing you. If you are in a very heavy traffic area, you can rely on your equipments, but that too, you have additional help. You can ask them to verify the compass bearing. Second is hearing. If your vessel is navigating in restricted visibility, this is one of the most important means that you have. If the intensity of sound is increasing, you can understand that the vessel is approaching. If the intensity of sound is decreasing, आपको समझ आ जाएगा कि vessel जो है धीरे धीरे दूर जा रहा है. But how can we know that? Provided we keep a very sharp hearing lookout. फिर है रेडार. रेडार विल इंक्लूड लॉन्ग एंड शॉर्ट रेंज, ये हम आगे बात करेंगे. दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. उसके बाद है आपका अवेलेबल मीन्स में एक्डिस. नाउ एक्डिस, हाउ इज इट एन अवेलेबल मीन्स फॉर लुकआउट? बिकॉज एक्डिस इज ओनली नॉट ओनली गोइंग टू शो यू टारगेट्स बट ऑल्सो गोइंग टू शो यू चार्ट. तो व्हेन यू नो द ट्रैफिक विथ योर चार्ट, it is better for you to take action. Then comes VHF. Now many of you say अरे VHF तो collision avoidance के लिए use नहीं करना चाहिए, risk of collision के लिए पता नहीं होना चाहिए.